how much should you actually spend on a countertop ice maker? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly which ones deliver and which ones just look good on paper.
Product number 1, Nugget Portable Ice Maker. This Nugget ice maker caught my eye because it's built like a tank, but small enough to carry around. At just over 15 pounds with a solid handle, it feels sturdy and ready for anything, from your kitchen counter to an RV trip. If you want fast, portable ice without the bulk, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It makes 9 bullet cubes in just 6 minutes and can pump out up to 26 pounds of ice per day. That's enough for a full day of entertaining or back-to-back coffee runs. The 1.5-liter water tank means fewer refills, and the auto-cleaning function runs in 15 minutes. Just press and hold the power button. Plus, it runs quietly under 40 decibels, so you won't hear it over your morning podcast. Now, some people complained about the ice full light staying red until you manually restart it. Here's the thing though, it's a minor annoyance, not a deal breaker. You're already getting near commercial speed and portability at a budget-friendly price. This is perfect for you if you want reliable, quick ice at home or on the go. Skip this one if you need more than 26 pounds a day or hate any kind of manual reset. For the value, it's hard to beat.
Product number 2, Frigidaire Compact Ice Maker. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for style and simplicity. The Frigidaire EFIC 117-SS brings that sleek stainless steel look you see in modern kitchens, but don't let the looks fool you. It's got serious function too. If you want something that blends into your kitchen while still making ice fast, this one's a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It cranks out 9 bullet cubes every 7 minutes and hits 26 pounds per day. The 2.1 quart water tank is one of the largest in this category, so you won't be refilling it every few hours. The transparent window lets you peek inside without opening the lid, and the digital LED panel makes switching ice sizes super easy. Plus, the drain plug makes cleaning way less of a hassle. Now, some people complained about the ice melting faster than expected if left in the basket too long. Here's the thing though, that's common with most countertop models since they don't have built-in freezers. Just transfer ice to your freezer if you're not using it right away. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, low-maintenance machine for daily use. Skip this one if you need chewable Nugget ice or plan to use it in hot garages. For home kitchens, it's a clean, reliable pick. Product number 3, Cylon SLIM21 Ice Maker. Now, if Frigidaire's lack of portability bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Cylon SLIM21 is all about compact efficiency. At under 14 pounds with a built-in handle and a scoop that clips right to the basket, it's designed to move with you. If you want something that fits tight spaces but still delivers daily ice, this one's a standout. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It makes 9 cubes in 6 minutes and hits 26 pounds per day, same as the others, but in a smaller frame. The 1.2-liter tank is smaller than Frigidaire's, so you'll refill it more often, but the self-cleaning cycle runs in just 30 minutes and keeps everything fresh. The control panel is dead simple. Fill, press power, pick size. No apps, no complications. Now, some people complained about the ice basket filling up fast and needing frequent emptying. Here's the thing though, that's because it only holds 1.3 pounds at a time. If you're hosting, just move ice to a cooler. It's not a flaw, just a design trade-off for size. This is perfect for you if you need ice in small spaces, like apartments, dorms, or offices. Skip this one if you need long-term ice storage. For portability and speed, it's a winner.
Product number 4, Cylon Nugget Ice Maker. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for ice lovers. The Cylon SLIM17 makes Nugget ice, the soft, chewable kind you get at Sonic. If you're obsessed with that crunch and melt-in-your-mouth feel,
this machine is in a league of its own. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It produces up to 33 pounds per day, more than any other on this list, and the first batch is ready in just 6 minutes. That's insane speed for Nugget ice, which usually takes way longer. The self-cleaning function runs automatically, and it's surprisingly quiet, so you can keep it in your bedroom or office without noise. The compact size means it won't dominate your counter. Now, some people complained about water leaking if not leveled properly. Here's the thing though, that's fixable with a simple adjustment. Just make sure it's on a flat surface and you'll avoid the issue entirely. This is perfect for you if you love chewable ice for smoothies, cocktails, or just snacking. Skip this one if you only want traditional cubes. For flavor and texture, it's unmatched.
Product number 5, Cylon Bullet Ice Maker, SLICM62B.
Now, if Nugget ice isn't your thing, but you still want speed and quiet operation, this next one brings the best of both worlds. The Cylon SLICM62B is a no-frills bullet ice powerhouse. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done, fast and quietly. If you want consistent ice with minimal fuss, this one's a sleeper hit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It makes 8 cubes in 6 minutes and hits 26.5 pounds per day. The anti-fog viewing window means you always know how much ice you've got, and the one-touch cleaning finishes in just 5 minutes, faster than most. It runs between 30 to 50 decibels, so it's barely louder than a whisper. Plus, it's one of the most compact models here, perfect for tight counters. Now, some people complained about the small ice basket filling up quickly. Here's the thing though, that's true of all countertop makers. Just empty it regularly or use a secondary container. It's not a flaw, just how these machines work. This is perfect for you if you want quiet, fast ice in a tiny footprint. Skip this one if you need Nugget ice or high volume storage. For daily drinks and small gatherings, it's a quiet workhorse.
So which one should you get? The Nubalig if you want rugged portability, Frigidaire for style and ease, Cylon SLM21 for tight spaces, the Nugget Maker if you love chewable ice, and the SLICM62B if you want quiet, fast cubes. Each has its strength. Pick the one that fits your life, not the ads.